Yep. So once this job is done processing, you're gonna wanna, I'm gonna use this file as an example. You're gonna wanna open the file. And once this is open, we're basically gonna do the first step, which is we're gonna tell it to separate the job. So we're gonna go to job type here, click on it, and then we're gonna click on normal. We're gonna take it to normal and make it variable data. And now it's gonna ask you how many records. For the 9x12, it's gonna be 170. It's also in the name if you look at the job. So we're gonna put 170, and then we're gonna hit okay, and then we'll hit okay. And then what it's gonna do, it's gonna process all over again, and you're gonna have to wait all over again to process. Once it finishes processing all over again, you basically go back to the file that has been finished processing, you open it again. So open it again. Oh, okay, this is, all right, it's not gonna let me because I already did something to it. So I'm gonna delete this one because I need another job to, okay. So just ignore what I did, okay. So the second step, okay, so we're going back to the second step. Second step, like I said, it's, we just have,
the variable again?
no, the variable we already did. So we can already move on to the next step. The reason why I copied a job is because it wouldn't let me edit the other one because I already put edit, yeah, so I made another one. So now we can click, so once it's finished editing, or once it's done doing the first step, which is the variable data, and you'll know when it's done because I have little tiny squares. Remember that? And it's separating. And so what you do is now you click on the job open because it would technically be done. It would be separated. And then we just go to binding, and then we'll go to none, and then one staple, and then hit okay. And then go to print delivery, and then go to stacker, and then go to auto, and then hit okay. And then hit okay again. It's not letting me because it's a weird file. Hit okay. When you hit okay, it's gonna process again, and it'll, you know, it's finished processing when it hits to 11,220.
Okay, got it.
That's, yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete this one. So yeah, as of now, we're waiting for the job to normal process. And the first step would be variable data, so we offset it. And the second step, we're gonna tell the machine, hey, those ones that we offset it, I want you to staple every single pack. And then it'll start running.
Okay.